Please check out my online shop sa Shopee, Mystic Queen PH for protection and prosperity items, bracelets, and zodiac sign bracelets na perfect pang regalo ngayong holiday season. Dahil bukod sa mga vouchers na available para sa inyo, may 25% discount din tayo sa lahat ng items until November 30, 2023. So grab this opportunity at padaluyin ng swerte sa pagsalubong ng taong 2024. Check out nyo na yan. Lahat ng links ay nasa description. Leo, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for November 27 to December 3, 2023. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na ito bilang gabay. Ayan, pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook and TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mystic Queen PH. Okay, let's see. Leo, what's coming to you this week? This is your overall energy, Queen of Swords. Very kayo ngayon, unapologetic. Or parang may pagka-cold yung energy nyo ngayon. May pagka-defensive din. Pwedeng you are cutting off people. You're cutting off people from your life. Yung mga alam mong binibullshit ka lang, no? Yung mga, sorry for the word, but yung mga bini-BS ka lang, no? Na you wouldn't take any BS from anyone. Okay? So, let us see. Ano naman ang challenge ng mga Leo ngayon? The challenge is the sun. The challenge is yourself, no? Kasi the sun is energy to ng Leo. So, maaring, there are times na gusto mong magsaya. Gusto mong everything's okay, everything's well. Pero, meron ka kasing kailangang kaharapin na isang sitwasyon or tao sa buhay mo na you need to get rid of. Yung tipong iwasan na talaga. Oo. So, some of you, maaring hindi kayo hindi pa kayo ganun ka fully decided, no, around this time. But eventually, you will find the light. You will find the answers to your questions. You will find clarity in this situation. So, let's see your opportunity. Ano naman yung opportunity ng mga Leo for this week? The opportunity is Ace of Swords. This is the truth. This is clarity. So, diba? So, na lang, kinonfirm lang talaga yung sinabi ko kanina that you will have clarity in this situation, lalo na kung meron ka talagang kailangang i-let go or i-cut off sa buhay mo. Anything toxic na alam mong pinapaikot-ikot ka na lang. No? This can be anyone. This can be a person or a situation like sa trabaho mo na tipong yung boss mo, pinapaikot-ikot ka na lang kung anong balak niya sa career mo, no? Kung ikaw ba ipopromote niya o hindi, no? So, you will find clarity. And you will know the truth. You will find the answers to your questions na gumugulo sa isip mo. And there's also an opportunity for communication. Pwedeng merong makikipag-usap sa iyo ng masinsinan this week regarding yung mga issues ninyo sa isa't isa. So, your blessing. Anong blessing ng mga Leo? Wow, 10 of Cups. As a blessing, hahabol naman yung happiness sa inyo. This is also stability ng iyong emotions. This is also happiness, contentment in your family life. And I also see someone na maaring magpapasaya sa'yo ngayong week na to. This can be a family member or a loved one, no? Yung iba sa inyo meron kayong pagsasalo-salo mag-anak. Oo. Okay, so let us see yung energy ng inyong love life for Leo. Love life for Leo this week. Manifest. You are manifesting the person in your life. Keep manifesting, sabi. Keep the faith because it is coming. Mm, may magsasorry. Someone is feeling sorry or regretful about their actions. Baka ito na yung gusto mong i-cut off sa buhay mo. Tapos biglang nag-sorry, no? So, nasa sa'yo na yan. Kung pagbibigyan mo, 'di ba? Bibigyan mo pa ba ng chance? Maniniwala ka pa ba sa kanya? 'Di ba? So, it's all up to you. About love natin. Seven of Cups. Meron ditong magulo ang isip. Mm-mm. You have the Seven of Coins. Puro seven to, King of Coins. Okay, so some of you, ang issue ninyo related sa pera, related sa stability ng finances ninyo pareho or nung person that you are dealing with. You may be dealing with an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. I feel like yung effort kasi, effort ang labanan dito. Doon kayo nagkakatalo ng person that you are dealing with. Possible that this person ay hindi ganun ka-effort sa relationship ninyo, kaya parang feeling mo, ano na ba, ikaw lang ba mag-e-effort sa relationship na to? Or kailangan mong kausapin tong person na to na ano pa ba yung maibibigay niya? Pwede naman kasi tong romantic connection, pwede ring sa family. 'Di ba? Minsan tulong-tulong sa family, sino yung mag-e-effort, sino yung talagang may concern para mapabuti yung kalagayan ng family. So you might be talking with someone, no, para magkaroon kayo ng malinaw na usapan pagdating sa mga plano nyo, no, sa family. So sa career naman, may healing. Kung nagkaroon kayo ng financial issues or struggles in the past, unti-unti na kayong makakabangon. Oo. And then, lalo na kung kayo ay nagkasakit lately, tapos naapektuhan yung inyong productivity, no? So, ito na yung time na you'll be okay, no? Makaka-recover ka na and makakapagsimula ka na rin na ipagpatuloy yung ginagawa mo, yung kailangan mong tapusin sa trabaho. But some of you, mukhang di kayo ganun kakontento sa career ninyo no? May discontent kasi rito. And it seems na, hindi pong kakausapin nyo talaga yung boss nyo, na hindi kayo kontento or something needs to change or kailangang may mag-improve, no? Or in general, yung inyong situation sa career ninyo, hindi pa kayo ganun kakontento and you're still seeking, you're still looking for other ways. Six of Swords, yes. Yung iba sa inyo, pinag-iisipan nyo na yung pag-alis, pag-move to another job, another career, and you feel like this is the best time to do. Knave of Wands, I think meron na kayong ine-explore na ibang opportunities outside of your career right now, outside of your business. So just take what resonates. And then your overall card for your self-love, self-care, possibility. Ayan sabi rito, focus your attention on what could go right. Ayan. When you learn to imagine the best case scenario, you get to enjoy and experience twice. This makes sense with the manifestation here. Okay? Mag-focus ka lang daw sa ang attention mo sa kung ano yung pwedeng mangyari na maganda para sa'yo. Para pag nag-imagine ka, yun yung namamanifest mo. Marami kasing magagandang possibilities na mangyayari. Depende na yan sa mga decisions mo moving forward. Okay? So, that is your reading, Leo. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Leo. See you again.